Rich Tehrani with TMC, thanks for watching. I'm speaking with Mike Barrick from Anritsu. Mike, how are you?
Good, thanks.
So tell me a little bit about what your company is showing here.
Well, carrier aggregation is something that's very important for certain carriers that want to increase their downlink and uplink data rate. The whole idea is you join together different carriers, possibly in different bands, into a single carrier to serve users, and you can get higher data rates by doing that. What we're showing here is an implementation of that, the 8430, which is an LTE signaling tester, basically emulating the base station and the network, controlled by our rapid test designer language running on this PC, and testing actually the first commercial carrier aggregation UE that implements LTE Advanced, showing 150 meg downlink data rate, which is several times faster than typically what you would experience on the network today.
Yeah, that's quite staggering. It's really tremendous. I mean, it's going to give wired a run for its money.
Yeah, I think at some point wired may go away. Wireless will be everything you use, including in your house.
So tell me about your company, what you're doing in this space, and other things that we need to know about.
Well, we have a portfolio of solutions for carrier aggregation. Well, LTE overall, we have several solutions. We actually have two different solutions for carrier aggregation. One for testing data throughput protocol, which we're looking at here, the 8430 and RTD. Another solution for testing the physical layer, more the type of solution you'd use in R&D or possibly for factory test.
Excellent. Now, you had something you wanted to show us?
Yeah, I guess this UE that we're showing here is the first commercial LTE Advanced Carrier Aggregation UE. It's a modem that's actually from what was formerly Sierra Wireless and now is Netgear. It's actually a Wi-Fi repeater, so it takes LTE in and it repeats Wi-Fi out on the other side, so you can support a number of different users at the same time. We're actually simulating the base station using our MD8430A, and then we're controlling that using our RTD script, which is running on this PC. And here you can see the data rates, both in the uplink and the downlink. Basically, two carriers with MIMO, we can get to 150 meg in the downlink.
So from a competitive standpoint, how do you see yourself in the market, and why carriers would work with you as opposed to others in the space?
Well, carriers and actually our whole market, the chipset providers, the UE manufacturers, the carriers that the UE manufacturers supply to would use us basically because we've been first to market. We've had carrier aggregation capability for LTE for, I think, dating back to December 2011. We've shown that at Mobile World Congress, now here at CTIA, for over a year and a half. So we've had quite extensive experience. We're first to market, and we're there with the capability now, ready for deployment.
Excellent. Anything else we should know about your company, about the future, new products coming down the road?
No, we should continue to support LTE Advanced, all the new features that are rolling out. Look for us to add those over the next few months. Some of the new features are coming, of course not necessarily a commitment for deployment on our side, but enhanced intercell interference cancellation is important. HetNets will be very important in the future, all these new features being rolled out, location services, all those will be very important in the future. And we will be there with test capability as it's needed in the industry.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks very much.